Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here, Tuesday 21st of August. Just a quick one for you today. Lots going on here just at the moment, so got to be a quick one. This is the total rainfall chart for the next week, ending midnight on the 27th, going into the 28th. And just wanted to highlight this too. The British Isles is underneath here. There's East Anglia, here's South East England, look, there's the southwest. But it really shows well how most of the rainfall in the next week is going to be across Scotland, northwest England, western parts of Wales, the far southwest of England and Ireland. But just look how little rainfall is predicted across parts of the eastern and southern Midlands, East Anglia, the southeast and central southern England. As little as 3 millimetres of rain here during the next week. And really that's indicative of the way the jet stream is going to become positioned. Now, you wouldn't really expect there to be that little rainfall when you see the pressure charts for Saturday, which is showing a deep area low pressure across the north of the country. You really would expect it to be wetter, but it looks as if most of the rainfall associated with that low is going to be carried away towards the north, although it will become very windy. So these are the pressure charts from 7 o'clock this morning, and you can see how most of the country was dry. We've just got these showers out towards the west. Now, what we've been seeing through the course of this afternoon is that showers have been breaking out, spreading their way further eastwards, but it's been the north and the west that see most of them. Most central and eastern counties stay dry throughout this afternoon. However, notice this ridge of high pressure here, this little nose of high pressure. Watch how it gets pushed away as the area of low pressure that's west of Scotland starts to edge in. Now, the effect of that has been to destabilise the atmosphere, and that means that showers are probably going to become more widespread along western and northern coasts during the course of Wednesday as the winds pick up. However, pressure to the south does tend to stay quite high. We're still 1,020 millibars, pretty close to the southern coast by the time we get through to the early hours of the morning. Although you'll notice that area of low pressure is moving ever closer to the west of Scotland. So for tomorrow morning then, we've got some showers across western Scotland, parts of northwest England, but for most it's dry. But the isobars close together, so it's a breezy morning. These are westerlies, force 6s down these western coasts, force 5 or 6 coming up the channel, force 5 down these eastern coasts. And for those of you who are farmers, I know that you look for thresholds typically of around sort of 10 to 14 miles an hour. Usually you're looking there for maximum wind speeds of around a force 3, but of course for small yachts and boats, force 6 is about the limits that you'll get, and really you are going to be on limits through tomorrow. And then through the course of tomorrow morning, well, we'll find sunny spells and showers across western areas. Further east it's dry, but then in the afternoon some of these showers will be spilling their way further eastwards, although much of East Anglia, the southeast of England, central southern England and the Midlands should be staying dry. The focus for the showers, northern and western Scotland and northwestern parts of England, just scattered showers elsewhere. And then overnight into Thursday, well, we'll find it still stays quite breezy, but those winds should gradually ease in the south during the latter part of the night. We'll find some outbreaks of rain moving through more western parts of the country as an occluded front pushes eastwards later on in the night. That'll bring some more persistent periods of rain, I think, for western Scotland and northwest England. Could be some cloud and some spots of rain for western Wales too. For most eastern and central parts of the country as well as the south, it should be dry. New area of low pressure here, look, forming off towards the southwest of Ireland, and that is for Thursday, the sign of things to come for the weekend. That low will be moving eastwards and also northwards as we go through the course of the week, and it looks as if that gets itself positioned across Ireland during Friday and brings some windy conditions with some pretty heavy bursts of rain crossing Ireland on Friday, perhaps reaching southwest England, western Wales as well by the evening, but also running up into western Scotland. Gales up these western coasts, southerlies at force 7 to force 8, nearest southerly at around force 3 or 4 towards the east, where it should be staying dry too. And then as we head overnight in towards Saturday, well, we find the low moving its way eastwards through Saturday. Look, by Saturday afternoon, positioned across northern England. Very heavy showers across Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwestern England, but far, far fewer showers down towards the south of the country. 1 or 2 heavy ones for western Wales too, but elsewhere, probably just scattered passing showers more than anything else. And look how close together the isobars are here. This is widespread gales across southern Ireland, across Wales, across the southern half of England too. Westerlies blowing at around a force 8. Wouldn't be surprised if gusts of 45 miles an hour plus, even inland. I think on the coast here we could see gusts of over 50 miles per hour. Across Scotland as well, northeasterlies here probably blowing at a force 7 or a force 8 with some heavy rain to contend with here. And then as we head through the overnight period in towards Saturday, the low will be clearing into Sunday. Sorry, the low will be clearing its way eastwards, and I think then we're going to be finding through Sunday that we get more into a north to northwesterly flow. There'll be some showers affecting Scotland, affecting northern England too, some of these quite heavy at times, perhaps merging to cloud and rain as they clear eastwards. Dry weather down to the south, although we'll find another area of cloud and rain slipping through Ireland, western parts of Wales and southwest England later on in the day. And then as we head through in towards Monday, so we're going to find on Monday, we'll find a ridge of high pressure building in. That should bring better conditions. But then cloud and rain will be spreading into the west, bringing strong winds, I think, through western parts of the country through the course of the day on Monday. Some heavy periods of rain spreading into Ireland, and they'll be heading their way eastwards and northwards on Tuesday, with probably some heavier rain just crossing eastwards during Tuesday, taking that area of low pressure northwards with it. Rain for most, I think, overnight into Tuesday. That clears, to be followed by blustery showers and some pretty strong winds, some pretty heavy showers as well across Scotland. So, it's looking as if we do go more unsettled through the weekend and into next week, but as I say, very little rainfall down towards the south. It's the north and the west that see most of it. So, once again, thanks for watching and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.